Hey, it's Chris here. Thanks for joining me on this new build series of this awesome Aoshima Liberty Walk R35 GTR. Now this is the version 2 Type 2. The version 2 Type 1, the box art is bronze. The differences between the version 2 and the version 1s is a lot of the aerodynamics, such as the canards on the front of the bumper, the front splitter with the supports. There's some like aerodynamic fins down at the bottom of the front arches there, the side skirts, and the spoiler where the mounts are actually attached on the back of the bumper. This kit I've built once already. The version 2 Type 1, the bronze one, I've built already as well. I'll add a few quick pictures, one there and I'll add one there, just so you can have a quick look. But yes, so it's third time lucky. The last two was built during my spray can phases. So now I want to build one with the airbrush and really give it a build of quality that this kit deserves. This kit was purchased from Max Models. There you see, look, Max Models, and a good price as well. Really good price, £38.70. So yeah, I managed to visit Max Models the day before Scale Model World in Telford. Great service in store, thank you very much for that. And again, you can visit the website, or if you live by Birmingham, things like that, you can go and visit. It's an absolute treasure trove. Right, so let's have a quick look at the box. I mean, in the Advan livery, it looks absolutely stunning. It's a great looking car, fantastic. Some of the box art, I mean, look, this is how it would look built on the Advan livery, and you can see, let me just put the torch on, you can see what I mean by on the back with the supports onto the back of the bumper. Do you know, it's a really good kit. It's not like the Lamborghini versions where you can adjust the camber and the ride height after building. It's all very static, but nonetheless it is an absolutely brilliant piece of engineered kit. So that's the box art, let's get into it. So as you've seen, yeah, there's quite a few bits in this box. It's very impressive. It is the standard R35 GTR body. As you've seen in the booklet, it's got a template for cutting out the arches ready for the wide Liberty Walk arches. Now that template is to size, it's actual size. The best way I've found is actually, I'll quickly show you. What I like to do is put some masking tape over and then trace the outline and then a little bit of the body outline, and then obviously take the masking tape off, stick the masking tape on the body, and then your booklet stays intact. So I found that works quite well. The front bit, you don't really need to mask that off to trace the template on that. Some nice sharp nippers, and away that goes. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. I've got a wicked style in mind, something I've not tried yet. It's going to be very plain as such on the outside, but let's make the inside visible. So yeah, but the body, as everything, I mean, you've seen the whole kit now. It's pretty tidy. It's quite impressive. The body, it does have a mould line going across the top, just there. Not even on the camera, look. Mould line just down there, look. We'll get all this cleaned up. It follows the arch and it comes down here, look. I'll get this snipped up. Yeah, so yeah, if you have, I mean, this doesn't come with an engine, but if you can get hold of a R35 GTR standard Aoshima kit, which does come with the 35 engine, it'll drop straight into this, because this is the base kit without an engine. It's just got all the Liberty Walk additions, hence why there's so many parts, quite a few duplicates. So yeah, again, it's a great kit. I'm very excited. I built it twice. I know the mistakes I've made. I know where to try and be better and further improve on this kit. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, so thanks for watching. This time I will be back to doing separate episodes of a series of builds and whacking it all into one. I'm just struggling for space on my phone. And I think it's just easier as well, just to chuck a few quick videos up here and there instead of one big video at the end of it. So yeah, keep your eye out for the next video. We'll look at getting some prep and paint done on the bodywork. So thanks for watching. All the best. See you next time.